Hello everyone, this is Bradley and welcome to Crypto Daily, a roundup of all things blockchain happening every day of the week. Now today is Tuesday, the 17th of May, 2022. Let's get into it. Now, our top story today relates to America's largest crypto exchange, Coinbase, which has rolled out a Web3 app functionality, including a hot wallet and browser for a limited set of its mobile app users. This app in particular will allow select users access to decentralized apps on the Ethereum network, such as Uniswap and OpenSea. Now, another very big story today, Portugal is set to reverse a long-standing tax law that excluded crypto gains on the grounds that they were not legal tender. Portuguese Finance Minister Fernando Medina has confirmed that his country will begin taxing cryptocurrency, but has not actually committed to a date as of yet. So of course there's not yet an effective date for the tax to start or even a set rate. However, it will be levied on investment gains made from cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. But more importantly, this would reverse the tax law that was established in 2016, which stated that since crypto is not a legal tender in the country, gains simply cannot be taxed. A provider of institutional-grade access to digital asset markets and liquidity ventures named Elwood Technologies recently announced that it has closed a $70 million Series A funding round, co-led by Dawn Capital and Goldman Sachs. The funds will be used to expand their current offering and also to grow their global operations. In other news, financial services group Nomura will launch a new company to help institutional clients diversify into crypto, DeFi, and NFTs. This is something that the Financial Times reported. The new subsidiary will have a staff of about 100 by the end of 2023. Crypto asset manager Grayscale Investments announced recently that its first European exchange-traded fund, ETF, will list on the London Stock Exchange in addition to German and Italian equivalents. The product tracks the investment performance of the Bloomberg Grayscale Future of Finance Index and offers exposure to companies at the intersection of finance, technology, and also digital assets. Crypto platform Voyager Digital said recently it obtained subscription agreements for a private placement of common shares of the company for gross proceeds of approximately $60 million. The company said it intends to use the proceeds for general corporate purposes. And lastly, Bitcoin miner Celsius Mining, a mining arm of Celsius Network, has submitted a draft registration statement on Form S1 with the SEC. This is interesting because this is something that companies usually file in anticipation of their initial public offering. So it's something to look out for. DeFi project DEUS Finance announced that it is working to restore the dollar peg for their DEI stablecoin after its price fell to 52 cents today. Mitigation measures were implemented immediately, and their team is developing solutions to ensure the long-term stability, they added. Streaming platform Spotify is testing a new feature that will let artists promote their NFTs, which is currently only available to a select few, according to Music Ally. The service is not yet taking a percentage from any sales, but is deciding whether to roll out this service as a fully fledged feature for its artists. 3 all-terrain vehicles, or ATVs, for Ukrainian defenders were funded by crypto donations through the Aid for Ukraine charity organization. We know this from a tweet from the Vice Prime Minister of Ukraine. Heading over to India, cryptocurrencies are suspected to lead to a dollarisation of a part of the economy, which would be against India's sovereign interest. This is something that the top officials of the Reserve Bank of India have told a parliamentary panel. It will seriously undermine the RBI's capacity to determine monetary policy and also to regulate the monetary system of the country, as per the report. Nigeria's SEC published the new rules on issuance, offering platforms in custody of digital assets. It's a 54-page regulation for digital assets that sets out the rules for issuing them and classifies them as securities to be regulated by the SEC. It also includes registration requirements for digital asset offerings and custodians, as well as rules for digital asset exchanges. The UK Treasury wants to legalise stablecoins as a means of payment within the country, but this will not include algorithmic stablecoins, as per the Telegraph. The group of companies containing trading platforms Capital.com and Currency.com have appointed Peter Hetherington, formerly the CEO of wealth manager Schroders Personal Wealth, as its new group CEO. And that's our last story, so that's it for your daily roundup. But remember, we post news every single day of the week, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're always up to date with everything crypto. And I will see you tomorrow.